In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Excalidraw library. If you've ever wanted a fast way to grab ready-made shapes for diagrams, wireframes, or architecture sketches, Excalidraw libraries are the way to go. They're collections of reusable shapes created by the community, and you can add them to your workspace in just a few clicks. There are two ways to bring in libraries, but in this walkthrough we'll focus on the recommended method, adding a library from the official public collection. Start with your Excalidraw canvas open. Look to the top right corner of the canvas and click the library icon to open the library panel. This panel is where your saved shapes live, and it's also your entry point to explore community libraries. If the panel looks compact, you can resize it so you have a clearer view of your items. Inside the library panel, select Browse Libraries. This will open a new browser tab that takes you to the official Excalidraw Libraries website. Your drawing stays open in the original tab, so you won't lose anything. On the library's site, you'll see a wide range of community-created collections. Use the search to find what you need. Terms like AWS or wireframe are great starting points, but you can explore anything from flowcharts to UI widgets depending on your project. Click into a library to review its details and preview the shapes included. When you find the one you want, click Add to Excalidraw on that library's page. That's it. The shapes are automatically imported into your current Excalidraw session without replacing anything in your drawing. Switch back to your Excalidraw tab and open the library panel if it's not already open. You'll see the newly added shapes ready to use. Drag any item from the panel onto your canvas, resize it, and style it just like your normal drawings. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep the library site and Excalidraw open in separate tabs so you can add multiple libraries without losing your place. If your library panel looks unchanged, give the page a moment and reopen the panel to refresh the view. You can combine several libraries. They'll simply appear together in your panel so you can mix and match shapes for your workflow. That's the entire process for adding a library from the public collection. If you already have a local .excalidraw lib file, you can also import it from the library panel as an alternative. For most people, though, browsing and adding from the official collection is the fastest and most convenient way to get started.